Hey there! I know how frustrating it can be to find a reliable washing machine that can handle heavy loads without breaking down. I bought and tested these COP heavy-duty washers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into the details of each one. Product number 1. QueezyBot Anti-Vibration Pads. Let me tell you about my experience with the QueezyBot Anti-Vibration Pads. When I first set them up, I was dealing with a washing machine that seemed to have a mind of its own, shaking and moving around like it was auditioning for a dance competition. The noise was unbearable, especially during the spin cycle. So I decided to give these anti-vibration pads a shot. When I lifted my washing machine and placed these pads underneath, I immediately noticed a difference. Made of durable polypropylene and rubber, these pads not only raised my washer by 1.8 inches, making it easier to clean underneath, but they also absorbed the vibrations and noise that had been driving me crazy. I could finally do laundry without feeling like I was living next to a construction site. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The biggest pro is definitely the noise reduction. They did exactly what they promised. No more shaking or skidding. They are also very easy to install. Just lift your machine and slide them in. On the downside, I found that they may not work as well for larger, heavier machines. The size should be checked before purchase to ensure compatibility. Product number 2. Sekolah Anti-Vibration Pads. Next up are the Sekolah Anti-Vibration Pads. Much like the QueezyBot pads, these are designed to tackle the same problem. I decided to put them to the test in my own home. After experiencing the full-blown dance party that my washer hosted during spin cycles, I was eager to see if these pads could perform better. The first thing I noticed was the sturdiness of the material. Made from high-quality plastic and rubber, these pads felt solid. When I installed them, I was impressed by how easily they fit under my washing machine. They raised it just enough to prevent any unwanted moisture from accumulating underneath. In terms of performance, they delivered. The vibration reduction was noticeable, and I could finally do laundry without cringing at the noise. However, they do come with a caveat. They are designed for specific foot sizes, so you have to ensure that your washer fits. One downside was that they are slightly pricier at $12.99 compared to the QueezyBot pads. Product number 3. Costway Portable Washing Machine. Now, let's talk about the Costway Portable Washing Machine. Living in a small apartment, I was on the lookout for something compact yet powerful. This twin-tub washing machine caught my eye, boasting a 26-pound capacity. I was intrigued but skeptical. Could it really handle my laundry needs? Upon unboxing, I was pleasantly surprised by its size. It fit perfectly in my small laundry space without taking up too much room. Setting it up was straightforward, and I appreciated the top-load design. With 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, it was like having 2 machines in one. The transparent lid was a great feature, allowing me to peek in and check on the washing process without interrupting it. Performance-wise, I was impressed. The powerful motor made quick work of my laundry, and it ran quietly, which was a relief for my neighbors. However, I did find that it didn't dry clothes completely, needing a bit of sun drying afterward. While the price of $159.99 is reasonable for a compact machine, you need to be aware that it requires some monitoring. Product number 4. Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Let's move on to the Giantex Portable Washing Machine. I stumbled upon this little gem while searching for a washing machine suitable for RV trips and small apartments. Weighing just under 30 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its capacity. The setup was a breeze, and I appreciated its compact design. The twin tub system allowed me to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, which was a major time saver. I loaded it with my usual weekly laundry, and while it holds 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, I found that I could do a full load without issues. The maximum washing time of 15 minutes and spin time of 5 minutes were customizable, which added to its versatility. However, one downside I noticed is that the user manual could be clearer, especially for someone not familiar with twin tub systems. Despite that, I found it easy to operate once I got the hang of it. The price tag of $135.99 feels fair for what you get. Why opt for the Giantex portable washing machine? If you're looking for portability without sacrificing performance, this is a fantastic option. Perfect for those on the move, it combines power and efficiency in a compact package. Product number 5, Breathing Mobile Washer. Finally, we have the Breathing Mobile Washer. This isn't your average washing machine. It's a manually operated, high-efficiency washing device that's perfect for camping, emergencies, or just saving on water and energy bills. I was skeptical about how effective a hand-powered washer could be, but I was eager to find out. The design is simple yet effective. The collapsible aluminum handle allows you to wash clothes either sitting or standing, and I loved that I could customize the handle length to suit my needs. It's lightweight and easy to store, making it a great addition to my camping gear. When I tested it with a few small items, I was surprised at how well it agitated the clothes. The riveted metal threads felt robust, and this thing is built to last. On the downside, it does require a bit of elbow grease, so if you're expecting it to do all the work for you, you might be disappointed. At $34.95, it's affordable, but keep in mind that it's not a full replacement for a traditional machine. Why should you consider the Breathing Mobile Washer? If you're looking for an environmentally friendly, portable washing option for small loads, emergencies, or outdoor adventures, this is a brilliant choice. It's efficient, easy to use, and can save you money in the long run. In conclusion, whether you're looking for vibration pads to stabilize your washer, a compact machine for limited spaces, or a manual washer for on-the-go convenience, there's something here for everyone. Each of these products offers unique features that cater to specific needs. Choose wisely and make laundry day a breeze.